Hi, I'm Joy Daniels. Are you thinking about selling your Central PA home in the next year? If your answer is yes, join me with our industry experts for an in-person home selling workshop on September 21st from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. at the Colonial Country Club, 4901 Lingelstown Road in Harrisburg. It's called How to Get Top Dollar in the Fall and Winter Home Selling Market, and we'll answer all of your home selling questions. We'll talk about how to prepare your home in today's market, and we'll have RJ Harris, a mortgage lender, home inspector, and organizer join us. If you have specific questions, please submit them in advance so we can try to answer them during the event. Here are some starter questions that we're going to discuss. Can I purchase a home before selling my current one? Is now a good time to sell? Are home prices dropping? Are buyers motivated right now? What mistakes should I avoid? How do I get rid of my stuff? How do I attract home buyers now? Should I pre-inspect my home? If you're thinking about selling your home, reserve your spot today. If you have any questions about the event or real estate, don't hesitate to reach out via phone 717-695-3177 or email info@joydaniels.com. We look forward to hearing from you.